Today topic of lecture: gallery method of idea generation. Gallery method is the one of the idea generation method. Idea generation means creation of ideas, formation of ideas for solve the problems. Any problem. It is a idea generation. What is gallery method of idea generation? The gallery method is a way of generating an ideas in a group. To begin, the group review a problem statement or challenge. Then everyone take 30 minutes. They prepare to sketch 2 or 3 solution ideas. These are posted on the wall where everyone can see them. It is called a gallery method. Gallery method means the gallery method is a way of generating an ideas in a group. To begin, the group review a problem statement or challenge. Then everyone takes 30 minutes. They prepared to sketch 2 or 3 solution ideas. They are posted on the wall where everyone can see them. It is called a gallery method of idea generation. In this method is the way of creation of ideas. Group of persons in a group. First, group members also prepare a problem statement or challenge. Every group take the 30 minutes. That period prepare a solution sketch. Sketch means drawings, figures. This figure is the show the solutions of problem. That sketch you pasted the wall. Everyone can see them. It is a gallery method. Idea generation. Next one, phases of gallery idea generation method. In this method also different steps, different stages. That all are phases of gallery idea generation method. That as follows. First one is preparation phase. Next one, generation of ideas. Next one, associative phase. Next one, generation of ideas 2. Next one, evaluation phase. Next one, last, selection phase. These all are phases or steps, stages of gallery idea generation method. Idea generation means formation of ideas, creation of ideas for solve the problems. Gallery idea generation method is one of the idea generation method. In this method also different stages, different phases, different steps, that all are as follows. First phase is preparation. Next one, generation of ideas. Next one, associative phase. Next one, generation of idea second time. Next one, evaluation phase. Next one, selection phase. These all are one by one I explain now. Gallery idea generation method, first step, preparation phase. In this phase, identify the problem. What is problem? Clearly define in this stage. That prepare a group leader. This is also number of groups participants. Every group also one leader. That person is first prepare what is problem, define clearly their group members. Prepare a problem statement. It is a first phase of idea gallery idea generation method. What is problem? Present. Clearly known the group leader. Every our group members in this phase. Next one is generation of ideas after identify the problem. Clearly known every group member. Each group also give the 30 minutes. That time also you ideas prepare, solve the problem, solutions. Every group member prepare a 2 or 3 sketches or 2 or 3 drawings. That sketches also all information away. Every person show the picture. You understand their idea for solve the problem. It is a generation of ideas. In this stage also every group give the 30 minutes time. That time every group you prepare a 2 or 3 sketches, solve the problem, solutions. That all are display their wall, their gallery, their location. At the same time also clearly explain their group members, that picture, that sketch, all information. Others, you prepare the ready to the every group members in this stage. It is a generation of ideas. Next one is associate phase. After generation of ideas, all sketches or drawings display the walls or gallery. All other group members, every others, you show that pictures. You assembled one place. All are evaluated, discussed, every group presentations, sketches or drawings. In this association stage, any guidelines, any advices, you receive the other participants. Any modifications, our ideas, our sketches, our drawings. In this stage, it is a associative phase. Next one is generation of ideas 2. In this, again you start the generation, creation of ideas. Third stage of association phase. In this also discussed all participants, others, some guidelines, some advices, some modifications you receive there. That based the again you create a ideas, change of our sketches or graphs, our drawings, any modifications, any alter. In this stage also give the 20 to 30 minutes every group. Again you modify our ideas of solve the problems, solve the solution. It is a generation of idea 2. This time also some give the new ideas. You show the all gallery, others sketches, drawings, some group members, you some think new. You changes of the alter the our ideas. In this second phase of idea generation. Next one is evaluation of phase. All second time also you prepare our ideas. All ideas, all persons participants you assembled. Again, you discuss our ideas. Evaluate, calculate in this phase. All ideas. What is idea is suitable? Our present problem. Our solution of problem. In this stage. Again, you discussed every participants, all group members, every ideas you clearly evaluate, calculate. It is a evaluation phase of gallery method of idea generation. Next one is last phase, selection phase. This is the last stage. Evaluation phase, all evaluated, calculated. What idea suitable, better. Our problem solving. Our problem solve solution. That identify the good idea, suitable idea. You select in this space. After selection also implemented that idea for solve our problems. It is a last stage of selection phase. These all are stages or phases of gallery idea generation method. First phase also preparation stage. This also prepare a group leader. Identify the problem. Clearly define their group members. So on problem. Clearly known in this phase. That based you think their group members. Next one is generation of idea as one. In the second stage of stage. In this also every group give the 30 minutes time. That time also you prepare a 2 or 3 ideas, sketches or graphs or drawing solutions their problem. After that clearly explanation also all ready to in this stage every participant. That pictures, that sketches, graphs posted the wall, all gallery or location. That also every participants, others also you see their drawings or sketches in this stage. Next one is associative phase. This is also third phase. In this phase also all participants, all group members or leaders you discussed their ideas, any give the advices, suggestions in this stage. that based the in some ideas also create in this associate phase. Next one is generation of idea 2. In this again you think the second time after association some modifications, some advices, some suggestions, other group members, other participants, any changes, you show the other pictures in the gallery. Our group member also, any create new ideas, solve their problems. Again, second time you prepare a new sketches or drawings, solve the problem solutions. In this purpose, give the 20 to 30 minutes each group. Next one is evaluation phase. These all are second time generated ideas. You assemble the all participants. Once again, you discussed, calculate every idea in this stage. Next, last one is selection phase. In this last stage, evaluation phase also, you evaluate, calculate what is better idea, solve our problem. They're all ideas. You select better idea, you selected in this last phase. To implement the solve the problem. These all are gallery idea generation phases. This topic is over. Thank you.